image of our virtual machine. By using image of this virtual machine, how can we create a virtual machine with this configuration we'll be looking into. Just click on this three dots which is present here. See, it is already showing you an option called as create instance. With one step, I can create the new virtual machine with the same configuration. I'll just click on create instance now. I'll just click on create instance. So now it is showing that copy of VM1. It is giving some ID for that. I'll just change the name as VM2 now. I'll just change my name to VM2. That's it. Everything else which I took there, every configuration is present here. You can observe. See, it is E2, general purpose, location it has automatically chosen, and again micro I have chosen with micro only. Whatever the configurations I set for my VM1 is exactly present here. We need not do with one step of create. It automatically creates a new virtual machine with the existing configuration. So that's why we create the machine images. It is yes. See, name is not an issue, sir. So image which I create now, so that image will hold my configurations at one place. By using that image, if I am creating new virtual machine, automatically those configurations are brought into this particular virtual machine called as new virtual machine which I am trying to create. That is what happened here. So why we do this is, when we go on a large scale, each time we can't spend much time on creating the virtual machines again and again. For that sake, we will be using this methodology. Please complete this process, ma'am. If any issues, we'll address that.
It will hardly take a couple of seconds and it will create that.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I have joined today. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have joined today.
Yes, sir.
So,
What's the issue, sir?
yeah, I have joined today for the session. So, what are the prerequisite I need to do or anything?
So I think now it is hardly difficult, sir, because we have discussed many things yesterday about creating the virtual machine and all. Again, if I repeat, it will be
Okay,
like
okay.
the
Any
repetition for other
materials
parties.
means, yeah, any materials, like
So
information
they'll be
recorded.
sharing the video link to you, sir.
Okay,
Recorded thing they'll be sharing. Even today's recordings also it will be shared, sir.
okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You
you can
can continue
continue
from
from
the
the next,
next,
sir.
sir. I'll
I'll
take
take
another
another
5-10 minutes.
5-10
After
minutes.
that,
After that,
I'll be
I'll be
starting with the
starting with the
new
new
concept.
that
That you
you
can
can
continue.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now,
So now,
virtual machine
virtual
2 has
machine 2
been
has
created.
been
You can
created.
just
You
check.
can just check.
That is having the
That is
same
having the same
configurations
configuration
as your
as
virtual
your
machine 1.
virtual machine 1.
If you have a
If you
doubt,
have a
just
doubt,
click on
just
virtual
click on
machine 2
virtual
and
machine
check
2
your
and check your
configuration.
configuration. Same as your virtual machine VM1.
I mean, issues are I can create this.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I'm online participant, sir.
Yes.
Because of our class schedule, I have joined late, sir. Can you please refresh once, sir? Please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please,
Ma'am, please,
because it
because
is
it
a
is a
workshop
Yeah,
workshop
other
other
participants
yeah,
are
yeah,
participants
I
are
can
not
understand, sir.
attending.
attending.
But
So
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
very
I'm
glad
separating
that
myself.
so I'm just
I'm just
repeating.
repeating.
Further,
Yeah,
Further,
yeah,
I
I
can't
can't
be
be able
able
to
to
please
do. Please
understand because
understand
other
because other
yes, sir.
participants are
participants
here.
are here, so
They'll
they'll
be,
be feeling
again,
again.
I'm
I'm
repeating
repeating
the
the
same
same
concepts
concepts
again
again
and
and
again.
again.
Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir. Thank you so
This
much.
time I'm doing it.
Yes, sir.
And just
I
create,
just
I'm
create.
repeating
I'm
the
repeating
process.
the process. Somebody who
Ah,
couldn't
sir.
do can
Understand.
understand.
So I'm just,
So I'm just
first what
first
I
what
just
I'll do. I'll
delete my
just delete my
existing
existing
resources.
resources.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, that's okay. With
Existing
existing
resources, I'll
resources only,
proceed,
I'll
no
proceed.
problem.
No problem.
I'll just
I'll just
create a
create
new
a
instance.
new instance.
So I'm just
So I'm just
creating one
creating one
instance called
instance
as
called
compute
as
engine,
compute
or
engine,
else
or
you will
else
be at
you will
this
be at this
particular
particular
stage
stage
initially.
initially.
When your
When your
cloud is
cloud
appearing,
is
you will be
appearing,
at
you will
this
be in this
particular window.
particular
In this
window. In this
particular window,
particular
you just
window,
search
you
for
just search for
compute engine.
compute engine.
Go to the
Go to the
compute
compute
engine
engine
window, and
window. And
yesterday
yesterday
we
we
have
have
discussed
discussed
about this.
about this.
In the
In the
compute engine,
compute
you
engine,
just
you
click
just
on
click
VM
on VM
instances.
instances.
Already
Already
for
for
me,
me,
two
two
VM
VM
instances has
instances
been
has been
created.
created.
In
In
your
your
case,
case,
no
no
VM
VM
instance will
instance
be
will be
running.
running.
That's okay. You
That's
can
okay. You
create a
can
new
create a
instance
new
right now.
instance right now.
So I'm giving
So
my
I'm giving my
instance name
instance
as
name as
VM3, that is
VM3, that is
virtual machine
virtual
3,
machine 3.
and I'm
And
choosing a
I'm
region.
choosing a
A
region.
region
A
I'm
region
making it
I'm
as
making
US
it as
central
US
only.
central only.
I'm
And I'm
giving
giving
zone also
zone
as US
also as
central
US
A,
central A.
and this
And this
computational
computational
GPUs, everything
GPUs,
we have
everything we
discussed
have
yesterday.
discussed
So I'm
yesterday.
just
So
going
I'm
with
just going with
E2
E2
with low
with
cost,
low cost.
and here
And here
E2 medium
E2
which we have
medium, which
chosen,
we have
I'll be
chosen,
making
I'll
it
be
as
making
E2
it as
micro.
E2 micro.
So that my
So that
cost
my
from
cost from
$25 it has
$25
been
it has
reduced to
been reduced to
$7.11 for a
$7.11
month.
for a month.
Advanced
Advanced
configurations we are not
configurations we
doing.
are
We are
not
keeping
doing. We are
everything
keeping
default.
everything
As of
default.
now,
As
it is
of
a
now, it
demo
is a
of the
demo of
creation
only
of
creation
virtual
of virtual
image, machine image.
machine
So
image.
that's why I'm
So
just
that's why I'm
clicking
just
on
clicking on
create.
create.
So it
So it
automatically
automatically
creates one
creates
VM
one VM
for me, that is
for me, that is
VM3. It will
VM3.
take
It will
just a
take
couple of
just a
seconds
couple of
and it will
seconds and it
create
will create
VM3.
VM3.
For that,
For
how we
that,
can
how we
create
can
a
create
machine
a
image
machine image
and what is
and
that
what is
machine
that
image
machine
we'll be
image we'll
discussing.
be discussing.
Take
It
one
will
or
take
two
1 or 2 seconds.
seconds for
Let's
that,
wait for that.
and then I'll be
And then I'll
proceeding
be
with
proceeding with
creating a
creating a
machine
machine
image.
image.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so
Okay,
now for
so
me,
now for me,
VM3 has
VM3
been
has
created.
been
I
created.
hope
I hope
for online
for online
participants also it
participants
has been
also it has been
created.
created.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
So those who requested, please,
ma'am,
ma'am,
acknowledge is it
acknowledge, is
created
it
for you?
created for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Doing it, sir.
So after
Okay,
that, see
after
for
that, see for
VM3,
VM3, in your case,
VM
whichever
you
the
have
VM you
created,
have
that
created,
VM will
that
be
VM will
appearing
be
here.
appearing here.
Please go to
Yes,
Please
sir.
that
go to
particular
that
virtual
particular
machine,
virtual
and there is
machine
an
and there is an
option called as
option called
more
as more
actions.
actions.
Can you see
Can
here?
you see here, which is
Three dots
three
which is
dots, which is
showing
showing
more
more
actions.
actions?
Just click on
Just
this
click on
more
this
action.
more actions.
There is an
There is
option
an
called as
option called as
create
create
new
new
machine
machine
image.
image.
What do we
What
mean
do
by
we mean by
machine image is
machine
nothing
image is
but,
nothing but,
see,
see,
every time
every time
I'm creating
I'm
a
creating a
virtual
virtual
machine
machine
where I need
where
to
I
set
need
my
to set my
configurations, I have to
configurations, I
set
need
my,
to set my, I can say, encryption,
everything
everything
which
which
I
I
need to
need to
take
take
care,
care,
but which is
but which
tedious
is
job
tedious
for me,
job for
even
me,
for a
even for a
cloud
cloud
administrator also.
administrator
So
also.
what he
So
does
what
is
he
he
does is he
creates one
creates one
configuration which is
configuration which
suitable
is
for more
suitable
than
for
one
more than
project,
one project,
and
and
he makes
he
an
makes
image
an
of that
image
so
of
that
that so that
whenever
whenever the
the new, I
new,
can
I
say,
can
the
say, the
project is
project
being
is being
allocated,
allocated,
only
only
this
this
virtual
virtual
machine,
machine,
by
by
using
using
an
an
image
image,
can
can
be
be
created
created
with
with
one
one
step.
step. To
To
make the
make the process
process
much
much easier,
easier, this
this
concept
concept
has
has
been
been
introduced
introduced
by
by
Google.
Google.
So
So
for
for that,
that,
what
what
we
we
have to
have
do,
to do,
we
we
have
have
to
to create
create
a
a
new
new
machine
machine
image. Just
image.
click
Just
on
click on
create new
create
machine
new
image.
machine image.
So it is
So it
asking
is
you for
asking
the
you for
name
the
of the
name of
machine
the
image.
machine image. Since
I'm just
I'm just
creating a
creating
copy
a
of
copy of
VM3. I'm just
VM3, I'm
giving the
just
name
giving the
as
name
copy
as
of
copy of
VM3,
VM3,
and it is
and it is
not
not
mandatory that I
mandatory
need to
that I
give the
need to
same
give the
name. You
same
can
name.
give
You can
any
give
name for
any
it.
name for it.
I'm just for
I'm
my
just for my
understanding purpose.
understanding purpose.
For which
So for which virtual machine I'm creating an image, so I'm just making it as copy of VM3. Or you can give it as image of VM3 also. No restrictions on that. You can give it as image of VM3 also. And it will automatically pick your VM source. See, for virtual machine 3 only we are creating an image, so it is picking that source. You need not worry about it. And it will ask you for the location, whether it should be region based. You have to fix for a particular region and you have to create a virtual machine only on that particular region, or it can be a multi-regional. So that means you can create it on any region. Okay. So that means I'll be going with multi-regional because depending on my interest, I can create it on any other regions. And encryption, As of now, we are not touching the encryption, so I'm keeping it as Google managed encryption keys only. We're not going for any advanced information. I'll just click on create so that a machine image gets created. See, copy of VM3 is getting created. It will take 20 seconds or 30 seconds and it will get created. Once it is created, this is just an image. It is not running. It is just an image which will be located at a specified region. By using this image, how do we create a instance of virtual machine with one step I'll be showing you. It will take some 20-30 seconds and it will create. So if it is not getting created quickly, you can refresh your page. So automatically it shows whether it has created or not. It will take, depending on my internet speed, it will take some amount of time. Just refresh this again and check. Yeah, it has been created. You can refresh your page so that it shows it has created or not. So, is it done for the participants? Many issues in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay,
Just a second,
just a
ma'am.
second, ma'am.
Non-economic capabilities are requirements.
Okay, now after creation of this, let's create an instance from this image. See, by using this image, with just one step, I can create a virtual machine. I'll be showing you how we can create the virtual machine instance. Just click on this three dots here, which is more actions. There is two options only. One is delete and other one is create instance. Let's click on create instance. With only one step. See, almost whatever the configurations I have created for virtual machine 3 is available for me. You can just check here. You can just change the name. I'll be giving it as VM4. I'll be giving it as virtual machine 4. And every configuration which I have given for VM3, it is taking automatically. You can check. Region it is taking automatically. Zone it is taking automatically. General purpose E2 it is taking automatically. E2 micro it is taking automatically. Everything it is taking automatically. So we need not bother about it. With just one step, by changing a name, automatically we can create the virtual machine 4. This is why we will be creating the I can say machine images. Machine images is just a replica of my configuration so that I can use it for creating whenever I want in real instances of virtual.
Bharti sir,
Yes, ma'am.
while creating, I didn't keep that into medium, micro. It is in medium. Is that
No
fine
problem, no
for?
problem, ma'am. Your cost will be a bit high, that's it, no issues.
Okay, sir. But for now, also, while creating the other images,
It will show
I'll
me.
keep the same only, no, sir?
You need not worry, ma'am. Automatically it will take. The
Okay.
configurations you need not worry. Automatically it will take. You just change the name and just click on create. Whatever the configuration of your VM will be, that is the configuration of your image also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can just check VM4. I'm just clicking on VM4. You can see the configuration of VM4. It is running. It is VM4. Everything is same as my virtual machine only. You can just check. See, everything is same as your virtual machine. It is automatically taken. You need not worry about anything. Automatically it is taken. So you can just check the configurations here. E2 micro, CPU is Intel. The configurations will be same as your virtual machine 3, what I have created before. So that's how it works. Is there any doubt in this? Okay, still if you want to access this virtual machine 4, see again, one more process, enabling HTTP and HTTPS I showed in one way, right? There is another way which is simplified way also. I'm just repeating my process. Click on edit. See, first open your VM, whichever you want to access. For example, I need to access my VM4 as of now. In your case, VM1 and VM2 will be there. Just click on one particular VM. So that means that virtual machine will be opened. So again, there is an option called as edit. Just click on edit. When you click on the edit, so edit options are enabled here. So you can go scroll down. See, there are various options available. Remote access you can enable through the specified ports. You can add tags to it. So you can make device to be displayed or networking options you can change. I'm not changing anything here. There is an option, firewalls, allow HTTP, allow HTTPS, I can say traffic. If you check this and save it automatically, I can access this virtual machine without worrying about the previous process what we did. Okay, I just click on allow HTTP access traffic and allow HTTPS traffic. Okay, we went to the edit mode. We just checkbox these two particular, I can say HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic. We'll save this now. We'll save this. See, and one more thing which I wanted to tell is with every virtual machine device, there is disk attached. You can see here storage disk. A boot disk is attached. Can you tell me why that disk is needed whenever we create a virtual machine? Yes, for storage. But what has to be stored in that particular disk? Yes, sir. What kind of data? It's correct. You're correct. 100% correct. Like for example, for any virtual machine, it comes with a default disk of size. I think minimum size is 10 GB. Why that 10 GB is needed? What kind of data has to be stored in any virtual machine when we create? Yes, yes. Default configurations. Okay.
OS related files, sir.
Exactly, you are right, ma'am. An operating system has to be booted from that particular virtual machine only to store that operating system related files. You are right, sir. Files only, that operating system related files. We need that disk. So that means by default, any virtual machine we create, disk is getting attached. Why I'm speaking about this disk is the next topic which I will be discussing is about disks only. Okay, and how the default disk will be present and how I can attach an extra disk to it, we'll be discussing about that. Okay, now as of now, we'll proceed. I think the information has been saved. Yes, it has been saved. Okay, go back to the VM now. Whichever the operating system you choose, a minimum disk will be attached to the virtual machine. Okay, we can go back. Now from the VM we are going back. So you can see there is an IP, which is an external IP. Let me copy this external IP of VM4 because for VM4 only I have enabled HTTP and HTTPS traffic. So you just click on, select this particular, copy this particular address, go to your address bar. In the address bar, type this and press enter. Still it is saying we can't access because we did not give an SSH access, I think. We should open that SSH access and I think it will be capable of, we will be capable of accessing it. Let me check once again. Yes, HTTP and HTTPS access is enabled. Okay, I think we need to start our VM, then only it is going to reflect here. So that means after enabling the HTTP and HTTPS traffic, we need to be capable of accessing it. So for that, we need to start our virtual machine. Through SSH, we need to just enable it. Okay. So that's it about this virtual machines. Now we'll be getting into the new topic. Any doubts till now? So creating a copy of a virtual machine or creating the image of the virtual machine or how we can create the new instance from existing virtual machines. Any doubts till now? Okay, now if nothing is, no doubts, let's delete all these virtual machines and even our images also. Please delete all these virtual machine instances. Again, we need to recreate. We'll come back to that particular part later. Just delete all these virtual machine instances.
Sir, we cannot see whatever the IP address we have pasted now. So, as you told, we have to run the SSH terminal. It means that whatever that code we had typed, sudo apt get install Apache, all those process, if we do again.
We need to repeat it. We need to repeat. Then only it is possible for us to access through external, I can say IP address.
Okay. Thank you.
Yesterday we have discussed, no, ma'am, process.
Yes, sir. I was just clarifying.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So now you can delete your machine images. Just go to the machine images and delete the existing machine images, and come to the VM instances. Select all these VM instances and delete all your VM instances. See, I'm deleting right now. Just delete all your VM instances, and then we'll proceed with the next discussion. Please delete it, otherwise it will be added for I can say the billing. So automatically it reduces some amount from our free credits. So let's delete these virtual machines. We're not using further. So in my case, VMs got deleted, all virtual machines got deleted. I think in your case also it will get deleted. Just confirm me once it is done. We'll proceed with the next discussions. Select everything. So here there will be a checkbox. If you click on that, automatically all your VMs will be selected, and there will be an option on your here heading only. There will be a delete option. Just click on the delete option. Or else individually you can go to the more actions and delete every, I can say, virtual machine individual. That is also possible. Is it done, ma'am? Any issues, ma'am? Anyone? Any issues, ma'am? Sir, is it done, sir? Okay. Please delete it because those instances may charge us. That's why we'll not keep that. We'll reduce some amount from our free credits.
Yes, sir. All instances are deleted, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
now
now
we
we will
will
be
be discussing
discussing
with
with
the
the
next
next
instance.
instance. Actually, I wanted to show you some theoretical aspects of it. We'll come back to the theoretical aspects. Even on virtual machines also, there are a lot of things to understand. I think probably you will be able to understand with my the content which I'm going to get. So let's not stress much on it. I'll come back to it whenever it is necessary. So we'll go with the next practical approach of creating a disk. Creating disk is very, very easy, but mounting that to the device is quite challenging. Okay, so we will create a disk first. We'll try to understand that, and then we'll see about how we can mount that to the virtual machines. Okay, so now on your left hand side, you are in the compute engine only. On your left hand side, there is an option called as storage. In the storage, there is something called as disks. Can everybody see that? Can everybody see that? Storage, disks. Just click on the disks. Everyone click on the disks. So right now, no disks available. Right now, no disks available. Just let's start creating our first disk. Let's start creating our first disk. Click on create disk. There is an option called as create disk. Click on create disk, and you can give any name to the disk. So automatically it has taken the name as disk 1. If you are okay with that, give the same name, or else you want to give any disk name, you can give. So I'll just give it as VM disk 1. So I'm just attaching this to the virtual machine. So I'm giving it as VM disk 1. You can give any name for it, and you can write the description. So if you want, it is optional field, is your choice. So I'm creating 10 GB SSD. Okay, so we can create SSD as well as HDD disks. So I'll not stress on that. We'll show you that how many options are there. So we'll be going with. So 10 GB, 100 GB, 1000 GB, how much ever you want, you can create. That means 1 TB, something like that. You can create. No restrictions on that. So I'm just specifying 10 GB SSD. I'm just creating. That is the description of your choice. Any issues, ma'am? So you refresh the page, sir. Here, you can just refresh the page. I think it'll get deleted. Okay, sir. Now you can click on disks. Okay, we'll go for creating a disk. We are giving the name to the disk. And then we are going with some description. Here it is asking for how many zones you want that particular disk. Whether it is single zone or it is regional basis. Regional basis means if you click on regional, so that means in a particular region you can attach this to the multiple zones also. So you can see when I clicked on regional, in the same region I can attach this disk to the virtual machine which is present in the zone A also and which is present in the zone B also. I'll be showing you both. Let us go with the first approach now. I'll be selecting the single zone. I'm selecting the single zone. So that means, see, when you are selecting the single zone, please make a note of it. Remembering that zone as well as region is very, very important. I'll tell you why it is. So now I'm selecting the US Central A, and again, zone is also US Central A only. Zone is also US Central A only. Right? Zone is also US Central A only. So remember this. If you are changing any zone, you can change, no restriction. But remember that zone. Why it is needed, I'll be telling you. Okay, my region is US Central and the zone is US Central A. Is that clear for everyone? So that
please make it
please
as a
make it
note,
as a
and
note,
you
and
need
you
to
need to
tell
tell
the
the
even
even
students
students
also,
also,
because
because
this
this plays
plays
a very
crucial
very
role when
crucial
we are
role when we are
mounting
mounting that
this
disk
to
to
any
any particular
particular device.
devices. I can say virtual machines.
The next
So the
part
next
will
part
proceed
will
again.
proceed again.
You can choose
You
the
can choose
source.
the source.
So as of
So
now,
as of now,
for
for what
you're
purpose you're
creating,
creating,
based
based
on
on
that
that you can
you can choose
choose
your
your
disk
disk
source
source
type,
type, whether for
whether for
storing the
storing the
images, or
images
it
or
should
it
be of
should be of
images type,
images
or
type, or
it should
it
be of
should be
a
a
snapshot
snapshot
type,
type,
a disk,
or
or
you
you
want
want
to
to
store
store
instant
instant
snapshot
snapshot
or
or
archive
archive
snapshot.
snapshot.
See,
See,
all
all
these
these
things
things
I
I
have
have
explained
explained
in
in
my
my
explanation.
explanation.
Blank
Blank
disk
disk
means
means without any, I can say, nothing will be there in that.
image type,
Image
it is
type,
meant
it
for
is meant for
storing a
storing a
particular
particular
type
type
of
of
data
data
only.
only.
Archive
Archive
means
means
it
it
is
is
rarely
rarely
accessed data,
accessed data,
and
and
instant
instant
snapshot
snapshot
means
means it is
quickly
quickly
accessed data.
accessed data. Like that, it has its own
I'll
description.
be
I'll
briefing
be
about
briefing
that
about
further
that
after
further
this
after
demo.
this demo.
Okay, as of
Okay,
now,
as of now, I'll be going with
blank
the
disk. I
blank
don't
disk.
want
I don't
anything
want
to be
anything to
present
be
in my
present
disk.
in my disk.
Okay,
Okay,
I
and I
access
access
occasionally.
occasionally.
Okay, for that
Okay,
I'm
for
going
that
with
I'm
the
going with a
blank disk.
blank disk here.
Again, disk
Again,
type
disk
also.
type also.
There are
There are
various disk
various
types.
disk types. Whichever the
Disk
disk
type
type
you want,
you can choose.
see
See,
hyperdisk
hyperdisk
balanced,
balanced,
hyperdisk
hyperdisk
extreme,
extreme,
hyperdisk
hyperdisk
ML,
ML,
so
so
hyperdisk
hyperdisk
throughput,
throughput,
balanced
balanced
persistent disk, and
persistent
so
disk,
on. We
and so
have
on. We
n
have
number of
n number
disks.
of disks.
Each disk
Each
has
disk
its
has its
own,
own, I can say,
advantages and
advantages and
disadvantages.
disadvantages.
I'll be showing
I'll
you
be
that
showing you
as well.
that as
As
well.
of now,
As
we'll
of
go
now,
with
we'll go with
balanced
balanced
persistent
persistent
disk
disk
because
because
it
it
is
is
low
low
cost.
cost one,
And
and it is,
I can say,
I can say,
effectively
effectively
accessed for a
accessed for
single
a
virtual
single
machine.
virtual machine.
If I'm
If I'm
accessing for
accessing for
multiple virtual
multiple
machines,
virtual
I'll be going
machines,
with
I'll be going with the
highest
highest
persistent disks.
persistent disks.
As
As
of
of
now,
now,
I'm
I'm
going
going
with
with
balanced
balanced
persistent
persistent
disk,
disk, and it is
very, very low
very, very
cost
low
for us.
cost
So
for
let's
us.
go
So
with
let's go
the
with
balanced
the balanced
persistent disk.
persistent disk. I'll be showing you that.
What are
So
these
what are these
persistent disks
persistent
and
disks, and why we have to choose, and which we have to choose at which particular situation.
This is what I
This is
told in
what
the
I
cloud
told in the cloud
computing.
computing.
Resources are
Resources
available
are
and we pick
available,
the
and we pick
resources.
the
But
resources. But
for
for
which
which
resource should
resource
be
should
picked,
be
we need
picked,
to
we need
understand.
to
I'll be
understand. I'll
briefing
be
about that
briefing
as
about that as well.
well.
So
So
as of now,
we'll
we'll
complete
complete
this
this
process,
process. Then
then
I'll
I'll
come
come
back
back
to
to
the
the theoretical
theoretical
one
one
so
so
that
that
you
you
can
can
understand
understand
clearly.
clearly.
So I'll link
So
that.
I'll link that.
So here
So
size
here
you can
size you
decide.
can
Again,
decide.
everything
Again,
is in the
everything
form
is
of
in the form of
GBs only.
GBs only.
I told I'm
I told
creating
I'm
for 10
creating for
GB,
10
so I'm
GB, so I'm
minimizing it to the
minimizing
10
it to the
GB.
10
You can
GB.
keep it
You can
100
keep it
GB, you
100
can give
GB,
it
you can give
1000
it
GB.
1000 GB.
The choice is
The
yours.
choice is
I
yours.
limited
I
it
limited
to
it
the
to
10
the
GB.
10 GB now.
So enable
So enable
snapshot
snapshot
schedule. You
schedule.
can
You
just
can just
enable if you
enable
want,
if you want, or
you
else
can
you can you
remove
can
this.
remove this.
What
What
this does
this
is
does
the
is
copy
the
of your
copy
disk
of your
is
disk is
created
created
automatically.
automatically.
That means
So that
if I
means
have
if
some
I have
data in
some
my
data
disk,
in my disk,
that
that
data is
data is
created as
created
a
as a
snapshot. Today
snapshot.
we know
Today we
about
know about
various, you can
various, I
say,
can
source
say, source
controls, right?
controls, right?
GitHub, everything.
GitHub,
They keep
everything. They
a
keep
data in
a
the form
data
of
in the form of
snapshot.
snapshot, previous version,
Current version,
the
the
next
next
version,
version,
and
it
it
will
will
be
be
in
in
the
the
form
form
of
of
snapshots.
snapshots,
So that it
so that
saves a
it
lot
saves
of
a
memory.
lot
In
of
the
memory. In
similar
the
way,
similar
if
way,
I click
if I
on this
click on
enable
this enable
snapshot,
snapshot,
automatically it
automatically it
create a
create a
snapshot. That
snapshot.
means
That
a
means a
copy of my
copy of
data
my
which is
data which
present
is
in my
present
disk
in
at
my
some
disk
other
at some
place.
other place.
And you can
And you can
schedule a
schedule
time
a
also for
time
that
also
when
for
I
that
want to
when I
create
want to
that
create
particular
that particular
snapshot without
snapshot
disturbing
without
any other
disturbing any other
activities.
activities.
So that
So
is
that is
also present
also
in our
present
disk,
in our disk,
in our
in
disk
our
so that
disk,
I
so
can
that I can
preserve my
preserve
data,
my
or I
data,
can
or I can
prevent
prevent
my
my
data
data from
I
I can say
regular
regular
damages.
damages.
Okay.
Okay, as
I'm
of
not
now
doing
I'm
that.
not
I'll
doing that.
just
I'll
keep it
just
as
keep it as
unchecked
unchecked, so that I don't want to create a snapshot of it. If you want, you can create a snapshot.
If you check
If you
check this,
check this,
you
you
can
can
schedule
schedule
when
when
you
you
want.
want.
You
You
can
can
schedule
schedule
a
a
default
default
days,
days,
or
or
you
you
create
create
your
your
own
own
schedule
schedule
when
when
that
that
snapshot
snapshot
has
has
to
to
be
be
created.
created.
Okay,
Okay,
you
you
can
can
specify
specify
the
the
time
time, so that
during that
during
time
that
only
time
that
only
snapshot
that
gets
snapshot
created.
gets created.
And you can
And you
give the
can give the
consistency group
consistency group,
so
so
that
that the group which is accessing will be accessing the updated data only. So as of now, we are not going with all those things. This also I'm just leaving as it is. Encryption we are keeping default, Google managed encryption only. If you want labels, you can add. It is for our understanding purpose. Labels means just an identification names which we are giving. For example, multiple projects are accessing the same disk. So just for the identification purpose, we specify the project name or something like that. It is for our identification purpose. That's it. Even like in tags also. Okay. So I'll just click on create. Now it takes a couple of seconds to create it. VM disk 1 is the name of my disk. It is getting created. It will take a couple of seconds and it will create. I think it happens for you also. Now, creating the disk is simple, but we need to mount the disk to the various virtual machines. We'll see that.
So now the disk
So
is
now the disk
created
is
for me.
created for me.
In
In your case,
Google
Google
encryption
encryption only. Keep
default.
it default.
Any issues
Any issues in this till now?
Hope everyone
Hope
are able
everyone
to
are able to do.
Now, any issues?
Now, any issues?
Able to do?
Able to do?
Okay.
Okay.
So once
So once
this is done,
this is done,
now,
now as I told,
every
every virtual
comes
machine
with
comes with a
disk
persistent disk of
10 GB,
10 GB,
where
where an
operating
operating
system
system and related control files will be
there.
stored there.
Now,
Now,
I
I have
have created
created
one
one more
more
disk.
disk. What's
What's
the
the
use
use
of
of
the
the
disk?
disk? To store the data. Any kind of data can be stored. But this persistent disk always need to be attached with the virtual machine so that virtual machine can store it. You can store your data in this particular virtual machine. Now let's see how we can attach this disk to the virtual machine. Right. Now let's proceed with creating the virtual machine, and I'll attach this particular disk to that particular virtual machine. Okay, can we proceed? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Okay, let's go to
Yes,
this
sir.
virtual machine now. VM instances. Just click on VM instances on your left side. Just click on create instance. Two instances I want you to create. Two virtual machines I want you to create. I'll tell you why two virtual machines. Please understand what I'm trying to say, because I wanted to show you the difference. First virtual machine, I'll be creating it as VM. I'll be creating it as VM, and region I'm keeping it as US Central 1 only. See, this time zone, my disk is present in the zone called as US Central 1A. Now I am creating my virtual machine in US Central Zone C. Can you see?
Okay,
Okay, I'm creating my virtual machine in a different zone where my disk is present in a different zone. My disk is present in a zone A. I'm creating my virtual machine in zone C. Now let's see whether it works or not. I can attach my disk to this particular virtual machine or not. Okay, so let's proceed. So I'll keep it as E2 and I'll make it as micro. Okay, so let's create it. That's it. This procedure you all know. Just click on this. Just create it. It's created for me. Think hope it is created for you also. Take 1 or 2 seconds.
Yes,
Yes, it's created for me. Is it created for you also? Virtual machine. Okay. Can be deleted. No? For which ma'am? Sir, just check, sir. Go to the edit option and we can enable it. Okay, online participants, is it done till here?
Done, sir. Done, sir. Created, sir.
Okay.
So
So now,
what
what shall we do? See, now in this VM, sir, any issue, sir? In this VM, we'll click on this more actions.
There is an
There is an option called as more actions. Okay, so it's not there in the more actions. So we'll just click on this VM1. Click on this VM1.
Go
Go to the edit option.
There is
There is an option called as edit.
Go
Go to the edit options. Edit option. There are, see, when you scroll down, there is an option called as additional disks.
Can you see
Can
here?
you see here?
When you
When you
scroll
scroll down, there is an option called as additional
disks.
disks.
Can you see this?
Can you see this?
Here
There are two options. One is add
disk.
new disk. That means we can create a new disk here only.
Or
Or else
attach
attach existing disk.
Already
We have created a disk, right? Let's try to attach that to this particular VM. Okay, let's click on attach existing disk.
Now
When I search for a disk,
when I
search for a disk, no disk is being displayed.
Can you see here?
Can you see here? Why? Because why this disk is not being displayed? Even though I have created a disk,
and disk is
and disk is
available
available with us,
it
it is not being displayed here because
my
my zone of the virtual machine is zone C.
zone
of my disk is zone A.
So
So those can't be attached.
This is
So this is one of the very, very important thing which we need to make our students understand, that wherever your zone is present,
in the
in the
same
same position, your disk should also be present.
Yeah,
Yeah, latency issue and the data can't be consistently saved there. So security also. So those constraints will be there. That's why your disk and VM should be at the same zone. Okay, even though the region is same, the zone is different, it will not accept. Now what shall we do? We'll create one more virtual machine in the same zone and let's see whether I can attach it or not. Okay, let's go and create a new virtual machine right now. Let's go to the virtual machine instances. Again, we are creating a new virtual machine, but this time I'll be keeping the zone as zone of my disk. Okay, so I'm giving VM2, the name as VM2, and zone I'm keeping it as US Central A because that is the position. How many issues, ma'am? Okay, I'll just come, ma'am. Just take 1 minute, I'll just come. Okay, so let's make it as US Central A. I'll keep other configurations same. This time here we'll go with micro again. Let's create it. I'm just creating one more virtual machine called as VM2.
Just create
Another virtual machine called as VM2. I'll just
come back. This creation is done. Go to the VM instance. Click on that side. Create one virtual machine. Create instance. Name it as VM1. So VM2. So here, US Central A. This we have created on US Central A. This time I will US Central B or C, any other zone. Just select US Central B. Any issue, there is a chance of can be AR. Okay, so again, here we go. Here we go. Create one more. Create no problem. Next time. Let's click on that. Go to the area. Additional disk option before that. Additional disk. They have already created one disk, but that we need to attach. No, select correct disk. That's correct. It's not displaying the disk which you have created. Even if you type of it, not show. Why? Because zone of my virtual machine was different. Zone of my disk was different. There are different disks. They should be the same. That's why what I mean. Create one more instance of virtual machine, which is the same as one disk. Go to the virtual machine. Create. Go for medium 3. Make it as US Central A. Save. Now make it as micro. Save the path. We can create now. That's it. Now after that.
Okay, now our VM2 is in the same zone as my disk. So let's go to the VM2 now. Now I think you're able to do it. We'll go to the edit option. VM2 I'm editing now. I'll scroll down. Now we have an option for attach existing disks.
Let's click
on
attach
existing disk right now.
Now if you
search for a disk, see that disk is being displayed because my VM is in the same zone as my disk. I can just click on this. You can give mode means read write or only read only option. We'll give read write. And upon deletion, I'll give delete disk also. See, this is delete rule means when your instance, that means virtual machine gets deleted, whether you want to keep the disk as it is or you want to delete your disk also. I'm just giving delete disk when my virtual machine gets deleted. Okay. And then if you want to give any custom name for your device, you can give. As of now, let's keep it default. No need to give any name and just give it as save. Just give it as save. So again, it has been attached. Now you can see the name of your virtual machine disk. Name of your disk is being displayed there. Am I right? Can you all see the name here?
Can you all see the name here? If you can see the name, listing this name, that means your disk is attached, otherwise it's not attached.
Disk is not attached.
You're able to see?
You're able to see?
Everyone, sir?
Everyone, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, rewrite is fine.
Rewrite is fine.
What this particular after deletion of my virtual machine, whether I want the disk persist in my storage,
Persist in my storage in my IPC.
but yes, it does delete this automatically. This also gets deleted. This is custom name. We are attaching whenever the virtual machine gets deleted, it can also get deleted because it clears my time of going back again. It's a disk section. I will be charged. If you don't do, manually we need to do, otherwise it gets charged. Keep the disk, keep comfortable position as you want it to be. Read and write permissions. Read and write permissions. Only read permissions. Since empty disk number, you use it. Disk activate material. Virtual machine attachment. Virtual machine attachment. If I want disk to be there, keep disk number. Virtual machine disk will be there. These are choice. Just please save. So save my any issues, man?
Any issues?
Right now. So now, we need only one task. Attaching only one tasking is nothing but just I'm adding to this. But that flexibility of accessing that still I cannot do.
Accessing that.
Let's go to VM now. We'll try to
Let's go
access
to VM now. We'll try to
I'll show you that, but it is still not mounted to it.
Show you how, but it is still not mounted to it.
This is how my as of now I attach
This
attachment.
as of now I attach.
We need some extra attachment, but we need to provide an accessibility for it.
Accessibility for it. Where you can
Storing the data, retrieving the data, that can be let's see how we can do the mounting operation.
Do the mounting operation.
That's okay, ma'am.
That's okay, ma'am. It's not an issue.
I'm not
accessing to any external IP, so you can keep same. Now, any issues still now? Virtual participants?
No, sir. We got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Just
saving
once
after it is saved.
Again,
See, once after it is saved, it will be in the virtual machine only. Let's go and log in. Same method. Open in browser window. Just click on open in browser window. SSH login we have to make. Ask you for authorization. Authorize it. Let's go for SSH login.
I'll
Authorize it. Yes, sir.
I'll wait, sir. So if I check
present working directory, it is displaying my present working directory right now.
Once you are
at this particular stage, we'll proceed.
Okay, can we proceed? Is it done for everyone? Can we proceed?
Okay.
Now,
So now,
I'll just
I'll just type one command. I want you all to type the same command. I'll explain what exactly it is. So
ls
LSBLK, you just type it as LSBLK, it shows your storage.
So how much
So how
storage
much
is present
storage is
and what
present
kind
and
of
what kind of
storages
storages are
are
present in the
it will be
system, it
showing
will
you.
be showing you.
So now you can
So
see
now you can see
there are
there are
two
two
storages which are
storages
present
which
in
are
my
present in my
machine.
machine.
So you can
So you
observe
can
here.
observe here.
One is called
One
as
is called as
SDA,
SDA,
which is of
which is of
size 10
size
GB,
10 GB,
and the other one is
and the other
called
one
as
is called as
SDB, which is
SDB,
of
which
type
is of type
10 GB.
10 GB.
This is
This
a
is
disk
a
storage
disk
and this is
storage and
also
this
a
is
disk
also a
storage.
disk storage.
Initial
Initial
SDA
SDA which I told,
which was
which was
coming with the
coming with
virtual
the
machine
virtual
creation
machine
only,
creation only,
out
out
of
of
which
which
you
you
can
can
see
see
for
for
booting
booting
and
and
all
all, it
it
is
is
utilizing
utilizing 124
124
MB,
MB,
and
and
again
again
13
13
MB
MB
it
it
is
is
used
used
for
for
some
some
other
other
purpose.
purpose.
This
This
is
is
for
for
operating
operating
system
system
booting.
booting.
Out of
Out
10
of
GB
10
some
GB,
amount has
some
been
amount has
utilized.
been
This is
utilized.
already
This is already
mounted to it.
mounted to it.
How do we
How do we
get to know the
get to know
mount
the
points? You
mount
can
points?
see
You can see
the
the last column
of
of
this
this
particular
particular
table,
table,
which is called
which
as
is called as
mount
mount
points.
points.
In the
In
mount
the
points,
mount points,
something
if
has been
something has been
written here.
written here,
That means it
that
has
means
been
it has
mounted
been
to my
mounted to my
virtual machine.
virtual machine.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, it
it
has
is not
been
mounted.
not mounted.
You can
You
see
can see
SDB
SDB
is
is
the
the
external disk
external
which
disk
I
which I
attached to it,
attached to it,
which I have
which I have
created and
created
attached
and
to it.
attached to it.
SDB is the name
SDB
which
is
is
the name which is
automatically taken
automatically
because I did
taken
not
because
give
I
any
did not give
custom
any
name for
custom
it.
name for it.
In that you can
In
see
that you can
it
see
has
it
been
has
not
been not
mounted yet.
mounted yet.
So that
So that
SDB is
SDB
not
is
mounted
not
yet.
mounted yet.
Now let's
Now
see how
let's
we
see how
can
we
mount
can
this.
mount this.
So
So for
for
that sake,
what I want
what
is
I want is you need to come back.
you need to
You
come
need
back
to
to
come
your
back to
browser.
your browser.
Just
So just
come back to the
come back to
browser.
the browser. In the
I
browser,
want
I
you to
want you
open
to
the
open
Google.
the Google. See, it's a again
a lot of steps
lot of
are here.
steps are
So
here.
I'll
So
just
I'll just
simplify your
simplify
task.
your task.
Okay.
Okay,
Write it as
write it as
mounting
mounting
disk to
disk
VM,
to VM,
mounting a
mounting
disk
a
to
disk to
VM.
VM.
In Google
In
Cloud, you
Google
can
Cloud,
type.
you can type.
You type
If you
that,
type that,
so it is
so
showing
it is
you
showing
the
you the
second.
second.
I
I can say
can just
you
check
can just
here.
check here.
Type it as
Type it as
mounting
mounting
disk
disk
storage to
storage to
VM
VM
in Google
in
Cloud.
Google Cloud.
So the second
So the
link,
second link, which is
the first one is
the first one
AI
is
content.
AI content.
Let's not worry
Let's not
about it.
worry about it.
The second
The
page
second
is,
page is
I
I
can
can
say
say
the
the
format
format
and
and mount
mount
and
and
non
non-boot
boot disk
on
on
a
a
Linux virtual
Linux
machine.
virtual machine.
Right? Can you see the
Right? Can you
second
see the
link?
second link?
That should
That
be
should
from
be
the
from the
Google Cloud
Google
only,
Cloud only,
cloud.google.com. Can you see
cloud.google.com.
that,
Can you see that,
everyone?
everyone?
Is it displayed
Is
for
it
you?
displayed for you?
Is it
Is
displayed
it
for
displayed for
everyone?
everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Just click on
Just click
that.
on that.
If you click
If
on
you
that,
click on
Google
that, Google
documentation is being
documentation is
opened.
being opened.
This is our
This
Google
is our Google
documentation.
documentation.
In this
In this
documentation,
documentation, it is
us
showing us
what we have to
what
do.
we have to do.
In this
In this
documentation,
documentation, it is showing that
what we have to
what
do.
we have to do.
Let's not
Let's
format
not
as of
format
now.
as of
The
now.
first
So the
thing
first
it is
thing,
for
it is for
formatting.
formatting. If you want, you can format it, or else
Without
without
formatting also we
formatting
can
also we
proceed.
can proceed.
So let's
So
copy
let's
this
copy
first
this
link.
first link,
ls minus
ls
l
minus l
slash div
slash
slash
div
disk.
slash
So
disk.
I don't
So
want to
I don't want
format.
to
Let's
format.
not go for
Let's not
that.
go for that.
Here, this is the
Here, this is
second
the
link
second link
where
where
I need to
I need to
format it
format
and
it
then
and
proceed
then
with,
proceed with,
I can
I can
say,
say,
attaching my
attaching my
or
or
mounting my
mounting my
disk to this
disk to
particular
this
virtual
particular
machine.
virtual machine.
So here,
So here,
the command
the
which they
command
have
which
given
they
is
have given is
generic command.
generic command.
We need to
We need to
specifically
specifically
make it for
make
our
it for our
device.
device.
Okay.
Okay.
So here
So here there are two
which I
options
need to
which I need
edit.
to
Something
edit.
which is
Something
given
which
in
is
the
given in
pink
the
color here,
pink
we
color
need to
here. We
edit
need
that.
to edit that.
So the first
So the
pink color,
first
they
pink
are
color,
saying
they are
that
saying that which
kind
kind
of
of file
system
system
you're trying
you
to
are trying to
attach or
attach
you're
or
trying to
you are trying
mount.
to mount.
So again,
So again,
it is
it is
predefined in every
predefined in
virtual
every
machine.
virtual machine.
The file
So the file
system type is
system type is
ext4.
ext4.
ext4 is the file system type name. You can give it as ext4. You can give it as ext4. .ext4 is the extension of my file system which I am attaching. You can type it here only in this particular link so that it is easy for me to copy and paste it there. This is file system type. See, it is saying that ext3, ext2, ext4. The examples are given below only. So the reason which I am using is ext4. So we have to give ext4. Even ext2, ext3 it works, but current day persistent disks are supporting for ext4. So we'll go with ext4. They are only saying. Again, below that, the second option which I need to edit here is device name. Can you see here? We need to edit the device name also. So the device name where we will be finding, I'll be showing you that as well. Let's go back here to my virtual machine. Go to a virtual machine. In the virtual machine, you can see this is your device name. Name of the device. Can you see here? Name of the disk. Name of the disk is nothing but name of the device here. My device name is SDB here. Can you understand? This is the device name which we are finding. This is our device name. That means disk which we are trying to format and disk which we are trying to mount, that will be the name of the device. Name of the device in this case is SDB. SDA is already mounted. It is coming with the virtual machine only. Yes. So the name of the device here is, you can find it here. So the name of the disk is SDB. So let's try to mount that. Go back to this. So I'll just edit here as device name as SDB. So with the lowercase letters, I need to attach it as SDB. Are you all able to do it? Yes. So there is a copy option. Can you see here? Copy code. Just copy your code. Just click on that. Automatically the code gets copied. So let's go back to my virtual machine now. We need to format our virtual machine right now. So let's go to the virtual machine right now. So I'm going to the virtual machine. Inside the virtual machine, I'll just paste this. Inside the virtual machine, I'll just paste this. So it has been now formatted. Now it is ready. No errors has been thrown. So it is showing done. So that means we formatted our disk and made it ready. Our device SDB is ready for mounting. Okay. Is it done for everyone? Any issues after copy paste? Any issues for anyone? For any participants? Okay. So once after this, now let's see. I wanted to mount, but which place I want to mount? Again, let's create one directory and let's mount it for that particular directory. So something which is stored in that particular directory, it will go to this separate disk, not into my. There are two disks here. We are understanding, right? We are having two disks now. One is disk coming with the virtual machine, which is called as SDA, and the other disk which is we have externally attached to it. That is called as SDB. Now SDB, I don't want it attached directly to my machine. I want directly to my machine. I'll create a separate directory, and inside the directory I'll mount. So something which I write to that particular directory will be going to my SDB disk. Okay, so let's create one directory now. So I'll just create one directory. So I'll be naming it as mount directory, or yeah, you can give any name for it. So I'm just creating it as mount directory. I'll change my path to that particular directory, mount directory. So I'm just giving it as change directory to mount directory. Is it okay for everyone? I just changed my path to that particular directory. I'll just clear this so that we can see. So now I am in the mount directory now. MINT stands for mount. I am assuming that dir stands for directory. That is my directory name. Hope everyone are able to do this. Any issues in this? Okay, now
We'll see which is our working directory. So that is print working directory.
This is my
This
working
is my
directory.
working directory.
To ease
To
our
ease our
process,
process, let's copy this.
let's copy
Let's copy our
our
present
present
working
working
directory. In
directory.
your case, it is different. In my case, it is different. That's why I'm just copying it.
Just click
Just click right click and copy. Or I think if the control operations are working, Control C.
Copy that.
Copy that.
I will copy
I'll copy that path. Everyone.
Okay, once
After that, again I'll come back to the previous directory. So not to this particular directory. So let's give cd space dot dot.
So now
So
I'm
now
not in
I'm not in the
the
mount directory.
Right now I'm
Right
not
now
in
I'm
the
not in the mount directory. Am I right? Everyone are able to do this? So what we did, I just for copying that particular path, I went into that particular directory and copied that path. That's it. So now we'll come back to our document. We will come back to our document. So let me see the document. After this, what is present? It is giving us one command to mount our, I can say it as disk. But it is asking for the mount directory. Which directory I need to mount? Here, go for edit. Click on edit
and
and
paste your
paste
directory
your
which you
directory which
copied
you
there.
copied there.
Paste your
Paste your
directory which you have
directory which you have
copied there.
copied there.
Right?
Right?
Is it done?
Is it done?
I'm just
I'm
repeating
just repeating my process.
We have copied there.
And the option was here the edit option was there. In the next mount disk, let the first command I just pasted my, I can say the directory which I copied there.
So
So that
/home
/prince bargo 7
/
mount directory, that is the path of my directory which I am going to mount my second disk to.
Yes.
Yes?
Are you all able
Are
to
you
get
all
it?
able to get it?
Any issues,
Any
ma'am?
issues, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay. So let's copy this now. Let's copy this path now, right now.
Let's
Let's copy this path.
Do you want me to
Do you
go
want me to
slow
go slow or
or
is that fine?
little bit slow?
Little bit slow. Okay. So
Just
just
copy
this path and paste it here. If any issues, please do let me know. I'll repeat this. Anything to be repeated, ma'am?
Can we proceed?
Can we proceed?
Here,
Ma'am, here you just we had the documentation, right? In the documentation, this was the first command which we executed. Scroll down. There is something called as mount disk option. Here there will be an edit symbol. Just click on this. Okay. It was showing disk name or some driver name or something, mount directory. You just paste it there. Okay. After pasting, you just copy this entire command. Copy this entire command by using this copy symbol here. Just copy and I'll tell you what to be done.
See why
I'm making it to be done in this documentation. I can write the commands directly. But you can observe the changes I made. My device name, I made it as SDB here. It is taking for further commands also. See, I need not go and change everywhere. Further process, your documentation itself is taking care of. So that becomes easy for us. We need not remember any command and those. This is an open documentation from the Google, so anybody can use. Okay, so that's why we need not remember all these commands. Again, it keep on changing. ext4 is recent one. Previously it was ext3. Again, we will get to know only when we get to see these documentations. Okay, so now let's copy this. We have copied this. We have copied this. Let's go to our VMware now, virtual machine. Sorry.
Let's
go to our virtual machine.
Paste
it and run it.
So
I'll just paste it in my virtual machine.
And let's
run it. It has been successfully run. Again, come back to this.
Once it
has been successfully executed, you have to come back again.
There is
a second command. After this,
you have to
complete all these commands.
The next
is
we have to
execute this mount command also. Copy this second command. You need not edit anything. Automatically it has taken. Copy this second command after this. Okay. So again you have to go back to your virtual machine. Go back to your virtual machine.
Inside
Inside your virtual
machine,
machine,
again
again you have to paste it. Inside your virtual machine, again you have to paste it and press enter. So now again it has executed. Now again it has been executed successfully. No issues has been thrown. If it throws any errors, that means we need to take care of that. No errors has been thrown. So that means it is executing successfully. Okay, I think it might throw some error. Okay. Okay, let's run this command. Actually, it might not work here. Execute this command, sudo, everyone execute this. Okay, let me check once whether it has been mounted or not. Okay, it has been mounted to the wrong path. So this is, see, what happened was, it was taking this particular path also. Mount slash disk slash home slash. Let's check. It has been mounted. Can you see the mount path here? Can you see the mount path here? It has been mounted successfully. Now we have to give the permissions for this particular disk. No errors till now. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. It has been mounted. Previously this mount was not showing. Now it is showing the mount. We execute lsblk. It shows whether the mount is successful or not. So the mount is successful now. So the mount has happened. That means the disk has been mounted. Let's come back to this particular command again. Let's come back to this particular, one more command is there, where we need to grant the permissions. So for that we are using chmod command. I think people who are using Linux are aware of the chmod command. Let's copy this. Let's copy this command. Let's copy this. Again we'll go back to this. Virtual machine. Let's go back to the VM. And in the VM, I'll paste this. And in the VM, I'll paste this. The permission has been granted. Now I'll change my path to this directory. That is called as mont directory. Or else I'll just give cd space dot dot. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just check lsblk. It will be showing, yes, the mount is present. Now I'll change my directory to that particular directory. Okay, so we'll change the directory to, now we have mounted. Can you see? It has been mounted now. Can you all see this? It has been mounted to us. Now we'll go back to that particular directory, mount directory. So now you can see the mount directory. I'm in the mount directory. Yes or no? I just changed my path cd by using the change directory. I just moved to that particular directory. In this, I'll be creating one file. So I'll just create one file by using the touch command. So touch space one.txt I'm just creating. Touch space one.txt, that means we are just creating the file. So if I check that it is available, one.txt is available, it has been created. So I'll just create one more file also. So I'll just give touch 2.txt. So I'm just creating one more file. So if I check that file, both the files are available. Both the files are available in the mount directory.
I'm getting an error in the CD mount data. No such file is there. The staff chmod
Touch 1.txt, 2.txt, any files you can create. Is it done? Okay,
Okay,
now
now
we'll copy
we'll
this
copy this
path.
path.
We'll copy
We'll
this
copy this
path.
path.
Now what
Now
I'll do,
what I'll do,
we have
we have
mounted our
mounted
disk.
our disk.
We have
We
mounted
have
our disk.
mounted our disk.
We have
We
mounted
have
our disk.
mounted our disk.
And inside
And
the disk,
inside
we
the
have
disk, we have
created two
created
files.
two files.
If you want, you
If you
can
want,
check
you
by
can
using
check
the
by
ls
using the
command.
ls command.
There are two
There
files,
are two files,
1.txt
1.txt and
2.txt is
2.txt
present.
is present.
We'll now
We'll now
unmount it.
unmount it.
I'll unmount
I'll
my disk.
unmount my disk.
And let's
And
check
let's
whether
check
those
whether
files
those
are
files
visible
are
or
visible or
not
not in that particular directory.
Okay, how do we
Okay, how do
unmount?
we
The
unmount?
same
The
command,
same command,
sudo,
sudo,
the same
the
command
same
which we
command
have
which
used
we have
here.
used here.
So instead
So
of
instead of
mount,
mount,
we'll
we'll
go
go
with
with unmount.
Just
So I'll
give
just give
sudo
sudo
umount it
umount
is.
it is.
So and I'll
So
just give that
and
path.
I'll just give that path,
Path
the
which we
path
have
which
given
we have
here,
given
the
here,
same
the
path I have given.
same path I have given.
So now it has
So
been
now it has been
unmounted.
unmounted.
Still the files are visible, right?
Still the files are visible, right?
So let's do one thing.
Okay.
Let's
So
come
let's
back to
do one thing.
cd space
Just come
dot
back
dot.
with cd space dot dot.
Just type this command.
Just type this
Sudo
command sudo
mount. I
mount.
think the mount is
I
not
think the mount
proper.
is not
So
proper.
let's
So
redo it.
let's redo it. So
Hyphen O.
hyphen o,
Just give it as
just give it as
discard and default.
discard and default.
Discards,
Discards,
comma default.
comma default.
Now we have to
Now we
give this
have to give
path
this
which we have
path which we have
copied here.
copied
Copy
here.
this
Copy
particular
this
path.
particular path.
Initially we had
Initially
this
we had
particular
this
path, right?
particular path, right?
Copy this.
Copy this. Okay, it's not being copied.
Copy this.
Copy this.
Everyone.
Everyone.
So after
So
this,
after this,
we'll give
we'll
this
give this
paste option.
paste option.
Just give
Just
yes.
give yes.
It is not
It is
saying
not saying
directory
directory can't be found.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's do this
let's do
again.
this again.
Sudo
Sudo
mount
mount
hyphen o.
hyphen o.
Yes, we
I
need
guess
to
we need
add
to add
discard command
discard comma
default.
defaults.
Discards I have
Discards I
added.
have added. It should be
Discard I guess.
discard, I guess.
Discard
Discard
command
comma
default.
defaults it is.
So we'll
So
give
we'll
this
give
path.
this path.
Let's check.
Let's check. Let's run this. Now the mount is not happening. Let's run the same, but I'll try to change here. So after defaults, I'll add slash dev slash SDV. So we'll run this. Yeah, now it is working. So that means we were not giving which device to be mounted. Just change with this sudo space mount space hyphen o. Okay, just give it as discard comma defaults, the same command which I have used, but the path was different. I just changed the path. Okay, now we can just check it as. So let's execute this command which we were executing, lsblk. Let's execute this command. Now you can see the path is different. The path is different. You're not able to do it, man. So we'll take a break. Have tea. We'll come back. I'll repeat the process. Okay. We'll take a tea break and we'll come back again.
Now we'll repeat
Now
the
we'll
process.
repeat the process. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's a bit tricky only. We'll do that. No issues.
The only mistake which we did was the path we did not give properly. We were going with some default path. That's why it was showing different path to mount. We change that.
ಒಯ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಮಗ ನಾನು ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಟೀ ತಗೋ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ 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 ಬೇಗ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಸ್ ನೀರು ಬಾಟಲು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪಾಪ
ಇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟ್ ಬಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು
ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬಿಟ್ಟವನೆ ಪೂರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ
Okay,
So
so shall we resume back?
Okay, now
Now let's mount it back. So LS.
Your screen is not shared, sir. Now it is.
So LS
LS BLK, if I check, see it is not mounted yet. Can you see? It is not mounted. Even if it is mounted in your case, it will be a wrong path.
So we'll mount
So
it to
we'll
the
mount it to
different
the
path
different
now.
path now.
LSBLK,
LSBLK, if you execute,
you
you can see that
it's
the
not
disk is
mounted. I
not
have
mounted. I have
unmounted
unmounted it.
it.
In
In
your
your
case,
case,
it will be
it's mounted
mounted to
to
the
the
wrong
wrong
path.
path.
We'll mount it back.
Okay.
Okay.
So for that,
So for that,
what
what command we have to execute is go for
sudo.
sudo.
Sudo is for
Sudo is
super
for
user
super
access.
user access.
Go for
Go for
mount.
mount.
Go for
Go
mount
for
command.
mount command.
So
So
not
not
zero,
zero,
hyphen O.
O.
It is for,
It is for
I
I
can
can
say,
say
other
other
options
options
which
which
we
we
are
are
providing.
providing.
Hyphen O
O stands
stands
for
for
options.
options. What
What
I'm
I'm
saying,
saying, if you
discard
discard
any
any
of
of
the
the
changes
changes
or
or
any
any
other
other
things
things
are
are
present.
present,
So
so
we will
we'll
be
be
giving
giving
it
it
as
as discard comma and keep
defaults.
defaults so
I'll
that
be saying
I'll be saying it as
defaults.
defaults.
Okay, and then we
Okay, and
have to
then we have to
specify which
specify
device
which
we are
device we
mounting.
are mounting.
So for that, we
So
need
for
to
that, we need to
specify
specify
/dev
slash dev
and
and
slash
slash name of a device.
name
Name
of
of
a
a device
device.
is SDB.
Just
Just
specify that
specify that slash
slash
dev slash
SDB
SDB
and the
and
path
the
which we
path which we
copied,
copied, the directory path which we
to
wanted to
mount.
mount. That path
You
you need
need
to
to specify.
specify. In
In
your
your
case,
case
it
it
will
will
be
be
different.
different.
In
My
my
case
case,
it
it
is
is
different.
different.
Slash home
Slash
my
my
name
name
it
it
is
is
displaying,
displaying
my
my
email
email
ID
ID
and
and followed by
mount
mount
directory.
directory. So that's how we have to do.
Press
You
enter.
press enter.
Press enter.
Press enter.
Now it will be
Now it will
mounted
be
to
mounted
this
to
particular
this particular
path.
path.
So if I
So
check
if I check
LS
BLK,
you
you
can
can
see
see
that
that
it
it has
has
been
been mounted
mounted to
to this
this
particular
particular
path.
path.
Now
Now you can check
it has been
it has
mounted
been
to this
mounted to this
particular
particular
path.
path.
Are you all able
Are
to
you all
get?
able to get?
Yes.
Yes?
Any issues,
Any
ma'am?
issues, ma'am?
Anyone?
Anyone?
If any
If
issues,
any
I'll be
issues, I'll
addressing
be
it.
addressing it.
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
Just
Just
execute this
execute
command.
this command, ma'am. Sudo mount
-o
-o
discard
discard
defaults
defaults
space
space
/dev
/dev
and this
/sdb,
is the
and this is
path
the
which I
path
asked you
which I
to
asked
copy.
you to copy.
/home.
/home. In my case, it is Prince Bargo 7. In your case, it will be different. See that you can see it here.
Okay, and
Okay,
followed by
and followed by
/mount
/mount
directory which we
directory
have
which we have
created.
created.
Yes, sir.
This path
This
only is
path
going to
only it is
vary,
going to vary. Rest
rest
everything is
everything is same. We
same.
are
We are
mounting that
mounting that
particular
particular
device
device
with
with the
specified
specified
path.
path.
Now,
Now,
if
after
you
this,
give
if you give
ls,
ls,
you
you
can
can
see
see
your
your
directory
directory
will
will
be
be
in
in
the
the
green
green
color.
color.
If
If
it
it
is
is
in
in
the
the
green
green
color,
color, it is mounted.
it is not in
It
the
is
green
not in
color,
the
it is
green
not
color, it is
mounted.
not mounted.
If it is in the
If it is
green
in the
color, it
green
has
color,
been
it has
mounted.
been
If it
mounted.
is
If
not
it
in the
is not
green
in the
color, it is
green
not
color, it is
mounted.
not mounted.
Is it
Is
displayed
it
in the green
displayed in the
color?
green
If
color?
not,
If
please
not,
acknowledge,
please
we'll address it.
acknowledge, we'll address it.
No, ma'am?
No, ma'am? Check.
Which device I want. Now we need to specify which path I want. Path I want. It has been done now. Problem what happened was part was not reached problem. So now I just my data so that something is last. So now it is available in the market. So that's why normal mounted whatever we create, that gets given in the market. Otherwise, the data is confidential. It is not visible in the data. And this data which you have created normally, it is not visible in the same way, but it is the this what is called this is the SDA. Two disks. The content of SDA is not visible in it. The content of SDA is not visible in SDA. So that's it. I will show you that. Yeah, okay. Whenever we are because you can be inside the directory and outside, but you cannot. And now we find in this directory by putting unknown command. This is not unknown is unsuccessful because target is higher. But what can we do? On this now 3.txt, 1.txt, 2.txt is not accessible. Why? Because that is present in the separate disk. Separate disk. So that's the concept. Once again, comments. come out of this. Whenever you are moving, it can be done maximum. Let's go back. Let's go. Some options. I understand some options. What we do is something is happening. Keep that after this next task is what I need device analyze device the path where I know my this is not how I get over now when it is that particular just changing my path. Yes, it is from the VM path, the storage path, that path, but SDB storage. Now I create one file in SDB storage, which will not be appearing in the SDB one storage. That is create one file, check what is there, nothing is present. Nothing is last, nothing but that is create one file when it is not you can enter the data whatever want to get second is this that's in correct. What I know if I unknown still the data is directly available. Okay, the same directory you will utilized by SDA and SDB. When it is mounted, it becomes SDB. When it is unmounted, it becomes so it's now I'm outside, now I look at that. Now we'll check the 3 or 6 this is a SDA. It's not an SDB, but SDB. Now that which is presently is not that's when we know that concept unknown this the current is very available. Now if I create one more file here, I'll create 3.txt. Touch. 3.txt. Now I'm creating. There is same here. So I just come out of the that's all. Separate by the reverse story is clearly separated, so there's not any more with exploded. Okay, so can we proceed? I think everybody's doubt is clear. Any doubts from online participants?
Ma'am, is mounting is successful?
Sir, for me, it is giving that it is already mounted,
Okay.
and it may have more information after failed mount system call. So this is what I'm getting, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So when you execute this command called as ls, are you able to see this mount directory in green color?
Yes, sir, but it is not in mount directory. It is typing the whatever my name is there. That is popped up.
And that's okay, but it is in the green color, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
directory name, it is in the green color. That means if it is in the green color, the mount is successful. Otherwise, mount is unsuccessful.
Okay, sir. It is there, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Now, see, let's proceed with our discussion. Two mounted paths, ma'am. You have to unmount one path. So you have to mount only one path, ma'am. Then let's check, ma'am. No issues. Now, see, we have mounted. When we have mounted this directory, see the mount directory which I have used, it is meant for SDB storage. We have two storages. One is SDA and other one is SDB. SDA is from the device. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Whenever I create a virtual machine, by default, some 10 GB of disk is getting added. That is called as SDA. SDB is something which we are adding, an attaching disk, attached disk. So now attached disk I have mounted to it. That is called as SDB. When it is mounted, which will be appearing that directory where I am mounting, that appears in the green color. Suppose I will be showing you now I need to attach this, I need to mount this disk in a different path. That is also possible. If I need to attach this in a different path, that is also possible. I'll be showing you that also. We'll proceed for that also. Now what we have to do? Now let me go to this particular SDB's path which has been mounted right now. If it is in the green color, the directory has been mounted. And let's create some files. And let's see whether I can access when I unmount that. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just change my directory to this mount directory. So if it is in the green color only, it is mounted right now. Okay, let's go to this particular directory. Now you can see I am in the mount directory. You can observe here. I'll just clear this. Now you can see I am in the mount directory. I have changed my directory to mntdir. Everyone are able to do this? Okay, now I'll just check how many files are present inside this. No files are present. There is only one folder called as last plus found. It is a metadata. So to keep track of your the information which you are going to store into this particular file, mount plus found. Okay, you need not worry about that. Let's create some two files inside this. Okay, let's create some two files inside this. So I'll create one file called as bhargav.txt. So I'm just creating, just to avoid the name confusion, I'm creating one file. And you can create one more file also. So I'm just creating space home.txt. So two files together I'm creating. Home.txt, two files I have created, just press enter. Two files got created. Two files got created. Now, how do I make sure two files got created? If I use ls command, you can check both the files got created and it is present in the mounted directory. Mounted means, again, I am telling you, it is SDB. Unmounted means it is SDA. So the disk which is coming with the virtual machine. So SDB is the attached disk. Okay. Now, we are in the attached disk. I'll just give two files I have created and both the files are residing in SDB right now. So I'll just come out of this particular disk by using cd space dot dot, changing my directory back to the directory of my own interest. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just check ls now. It is still mounted. Can you see? Mount directory is in the green color. It is still mounted. I want to unmount this. So for unmount, we have a command. So execute this command sudo space umount is a command which we use for unmounting. Just do that umount sudo space umount and then you need to give a path of your device. Path of my device is /dev and name of your device. Name of my device which I am unmounting is SDB. SDB. Okay, please do that. Sudo space umount is for unmounting. Space /dev /SDB. If I press enter, if I gave ls, see it is not in the green color, that means it has been unmounted. Yes? So let's go back to this again directory, that is mntdir. Sorry. cd space mount
mount
directory.
directory.
So I'm going to this cd space
mntdir
mntdir is taking me to that particular directory. In that directory, if I check ls, I can observe the files which I have created, cargo.txt and home.txt is not at all present. Even though I have created in the same folder, it was stored in a directory called as SDB, or in a storage called as a disk called as SDB. Even though the directory was same, but the place of storage SDB, because I mounted SDB to that. Right? Now I did not mount any directory or any disk to it. By default, it will be taking the disk called as SDA. So in a SDA disk, in the same directory called as mntdir, 1.txt and 2.txt is present. Are you all able to get? Are you all able to get the concept?
Any
Any
confusions here?
confusions here?
No, many
No, many
confusions.
confusions? Anyone?
Okay.
Okay,
I'll just make it more clear.
We'll create one more file here.
We'll create one more file.
So I'll use another command called as touch.
And
We'll create one more file called as 3.txt. We'll create one more file called as 3.txt, where we are creating inside the mount directory only, but
we have
we have
not
not
mounted
mounted
SDB
SDB to it.
When
When it is
SDB
SDB is not mounted, it will be created in SDA.
If I
If I
mount
mount again,
this
this
3.txt
3.txt should not appear in the
SDB.
SDB.
Understanding
Understanding
the
the difference?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
why
Okay,
am
sir.
I getting permission denied, sir?
Maybe you have not executed one command which I showed in the documentation, that chmod command. Sudo chmod a plus w that you are supposed to execute. I think you have not executed that.
Okay, sir, I'll check.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just,
So I'm just
creating
creating one more file.
You
You can just check.
In this
In
directory
this
now we
directory,
have
now
three
we have
files.
three files:
1.txt,
1.txt, 2.txt, 3.txt.
These
These
3.txt
3.txt
also
also
should
should
not
not
appear
appear
because
because
it
it
is
is
created
created
in
in
the
the
SDA.
SDA.
Okay, let's
Okay,
mount
let's
it,
mount it again. Mount command we already written, so we can make use of the written command already. So I'll just scroll it, and I'll just use that command which we have created. See, this is my mount command, or else if somebody is having any issues with the mount command, I'll retype it so that you will also get handy with it. I'll just clear this.
So
So we'll write the mount command. So to mount any command, again, you should not be in that particular directory. Even if you are in that directory, mount will be successful, but unmount will not be successful. So let's come back out of this particular directory called as mntdir. I'm outside of mntdir. If I check ls now, see, it is not mounted. Let's proceed with mounting it. Let's proceed with mounting it. So I'll just mount it.
For that I'll be
For that,
using
I'll be
command
using the
called
command called as sudo